Northwest Wisconsin's premier RV dealer, Link RV in Minong, is holding their first ever indoor RV show. 3 days only, March 24th through the 26th, inside their 15,000 square foot service center. They'll have 20 units indoors, plus more outside with the heat on. Choose from motorhomes, travel trailers, and fifth wheels, and take advantage of factory incentives with on-site financing. Get blowout prices on 2022 models. Link RV wants your trade, and they'll pay you top dollar for it. Register to win daily drawings, and food will be served each day from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Don't miss the first ever indoor RV show. 3 days only, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Friday and Saturday, March 24th and 25th, and Sunday, March 26th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Link RV, located on the corners of Highways 53 and 77 in Minong, and online at linkrvdirect.com.